It's a great opening scene with the conversation because like Nancy and I would kind of do that too. Like we like
I was too. I
yeah,
was like,
like-
who are these people?
yeah, it's just like you're just kind of making a life for people that you don't know, but just how you could tell how awkward the situation looked from
Yes.
something afar, like just the husband sitting in the corner. It looks like the wife is flirt because I thought the wife was just flirting with some other guy or someone that they knew. So it's like a whole different perspective. And then when you learn about the person's life or story,
Yeah.
then you're like, okay, I understand it now.
Well,
I
that
thought they're all like work friends or something. Like I didn't.
you didn't know.
No, yeah, you
Yeah.
don't know.
Well, they asked that question, who do you think they are?
Yeah.
And I think that's going to be the whole movie is you are going to really think about who are they to each other.
Yeah.
You know, are Hay and Nora destined to be together? You know, what is the role of Arthur? Because the moment you see Arthur in that opening scene, you're like, he is outside of this,
Yeah.
right? But then when you get to that scene near the end, you have a whole different perspective
Yeah.
on who he is and what's going on in that conversation.
And a different respect for him too, to be completely honest.
Yeah.